Right, little sister, we have just got funding to propose a new smart city standard, funding from the Internet Stiftelse in Sweden. So basically, why? Well, cyber threats. And this is Warren Buffett telling you how bad it is. So, and here's the statistics. So, okay, the internet's broken. What do you do? What do you do? You fix it. So let's have a more secure internet protocol stack with extra encryption. That's what we do. So we use XMPP, which is a standard encrypted internet protocol. We encrypt on top of it. And then we have a edge architecture. We don't use the cloud, and all hardware can be on-premise for extra security. And we even throw in an encrypted database and backup, etc. Okay, so this is our architecture. We have a broker, which is basically setting up the connections between the peers. This is just an example. There can be more or less than this. The broker, the whole system's based on XMPP, and it's totally encrypted. And then on top of the encryption, we've added extra encryption, and it's end-to-end encryption. So it's totally secure, which is great for privacy by design. And by default, everything's encrypted. So we have a peer-to-peer secure architecture. Okay, and the interesting thing is we can actually function as a social network for machines and people. That's what we've added on. So we can attach drones, or we can even make one of those peers or more a smart home. Your smart home will be connected totally securely, straight over the internet, very secure, trust-based, and it's much more secure than the usual cloud system. Can't be hacked into, hopefully. That's what we say. Now, what else can we do for security? Well, if you put all your eggs in one basket, you get hacked, that's it. So we federate. So, for example, you can have a county-based architecture, Stockholm's län, Uppsala län, and if someone hacks into one, they've still got another two areas. So it's less of an attack surface, it's much more resilience. So if part of the network goes down, you've still got some left. And it's much harder to hack into and much less attractive to a hacker because you don't have a whole network to bring down, you're federated. Why are we doing this? So basically we have, as I said, a secure private social network, end-to-end encryption, and it's for machines and people. So if you've got high-value machines and critical information, we're for you. As proof of concept, we've developed a browser user interface, but that could be customized for end customer, for your applications. And it works on low-cost hardware. This is a 2 gig compute stick, and we have the full system working on this in prototypes. So now what happens? Well, we've got a grant from the IIS to build on our technology for a new internet standard for smart cities. And so that's what we're going to do. And basically, the project, which is funded by the IIS, will give protocol harmonization, interoperability, identification. We have strong identities, trust-based, so you only give your information to people you trust. We have provisioning, and we have a market commercial application to protect your intellectual property. So for example, if you're a drone flying over Stockholm, you want to sell people access for 2 hours to a high definition picture, bang, you've got it, and you can remove access straight away afterwards. You've got total control, you've got red button over your intellectual property at the edge. So we're edge based. And the use case is smart home, smart community. So you can have a neighborhood watch system, smart cities, smart factories, and I nearly fell off that, smart infrastructure, smart transport, and drones. So we're already talking to the guys developing a drone test facility in Sweden, for example. So what's going to happen with this? At the end of our project, we're going to have IoT labs with hardware. This will be at Go to 10. This is part of the grant that we're going to do this. This will be in Hammarby. And we'll post further information in the future. And yes, well, there's the hardware. So thank you very much. We're Lilsis AB, and our product's called Little Sister. Thank you.